Brooke with WTI. Are you looking to be comfortable when you go to bed? Well, check out this sheet set. This is by Mattress-Homes.
I like these sheets for how durable they are. I love the 6-piece set. It has the top sheet. It's nice and generous in size. I love the 4 pillowcases that it comes with. It makes my bed look uniform, like I'm staying at a resort. I also love the fitted sheet. The pleats down the corner, the 18-inch deep pocket is reinforced with extra material. And when I make my bed, it stays in place. There's no piling, and I don't have to remake my fitted sheet, adjust it until the next time I go ahead and wash it. And then after washing it, it comes out just as beautiful as ever. I love this dark gray color. It looks really elegant. It has a 600 thread count and there's no loose threads. There's no weakening of the fiber. It's a thicker material and I can tell that I'm going to be able to get a lot of use out of it. It feels like it's silk and it's not because it's the cotton, which is even better because it's breathable, but it's just nice to have something that has that smooth texture to it. I love that it's Ocotech standard certified 100, and that makes it also a little more reassuring when we are sleeping on this material.
So if you need an excuse to crawl back into bed, if you want to be comfortable in your own house and skip paying for a resort, I definitely recommend this by Mattress-Homes. But that's just my point of view.